Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 8, hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is your second religion class in 2022 in class 8. So this is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My beloved students of class 8, today I will discuss today. At first introduce about that topic. Our topic is chapter 1, lesson 3, discussion. This is lecture number 2 and HW number 2 also. My beloved students, last YouTube class already you have seen I discussed about the aqaid, about the iman, and also about the nifaq, munafiq. Today I will discuss about the al-asma'ul husna. And last few classes you already informed from the class 5 about the Allah's attributive names. So that attributive names in your book lesson 3, a few of the attributive names are there. I will discuss very shortly from there. So first of all, my dear students, I will discuss about the importance of the Allah's attributive names, why it's need in our life, and then 5 attributive names are there. First one is Allahu Gaffarun, then Allahu Samadun, then Allahu Raufun, then Allahu Hasibun, and last Allahu Muhaiminun. All of this you will get in your book chapter 1 lesson 3. My beloved students, first of all you have to know what is Al-Asma'ul Husna. Already you know Al-Asma, this is the plural form of Sama'un. Asma means names and Husna means beautiful. So together of all the attributive names of Almighty Allah, it's called Al-Asma'ul Husna. It means qualitative names, qualified names, beautiful names. And all together of the Allah's attributive names called Al-Asma'ul Husna. Regarding the Holy Quran, if we recite the Holy Quran, we will get many of the attributive names of Almighty Allah. But instruction of the Holy Hadith, we are getting 99 attributive names of Almighty Allah. But after these 99 names, there are many more attributive names can be, but we don't know about that. So among there, you heard some of the names like the Alimun, Khabirun, Hasibun, Gaffarun, Rahimun, Rahmanun, Sattarun, Qahharun, Mu'minun, Muhaiminun, like that many of the names you know. My beloved students, first of all, you have to know what is the importance and significance of the Al-Asma'ul Husna. Why we need it in our life. Students, most of the time we are hearing Allah is the Allah's name, our Creator's name, but we can call Him by any of the names. What is His attributive names are there. So regarding this, Almighty Allah is saying, "Walillahil asma'ul husna fad'uuhu biha wadharul ladhina yulhiduna fi asma'ihi sayujzawna ma kanu ya'malun." Almighty Allah is ordering instructing to the human beings, if you want to call to the Almighty Allah by any of the names of selected attributive names, you can. For example, sometimes we are doing the munajat and we are saying, Ya Ghaffar, Ya Sattar, Ya Qahhar, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim, please forgive me, forgive us. Like that we are praising to the Almighty Allah. So students, also why we need the Al-Asma'ul Husna, why we learn the Al-Asma'ul Husna, because in the Holy Quran, Almighty Allah is saying, Sibghatallah wa man ahsanu minallahi sibgha. It means Allah's colors, and we accept Allah's colors, and who is more beautiful in color than Allah? I mean, whatever is the Allah's color, here color means the skills, the quality of Almighty Allah. So what Almighty Allah has the quality, we should accept that. For example, the forgiveness, Allah is forgiving the human beings, we should forgive to others. For example, Allah is giving the foods, so we will help by giving foods to the others. So like that, many of the quality of Almighty Allah we can gather in ourselves. So among there, first of all, I will discuss about the Allahu Gaffarun. This is very important. Allahu Gaffarun. Allahu Gaffarun means Allah is the forgiver. Allah is the forgiving to the human beings. Many of the times, most of the times, we are doing the sinful activities. ups and down, we are doing the sinful activities, but Almighty Allah immediately not punishing the human beings. When Almighty Allah is giving the chance, when the human being will repent that I have done the sinful acts, and when they will confess that bad activities, sinful activities, and will repent to the Almighty Allah and will take the oath to the Almighty Allah, never I will do it, then Almighty Allah will forgive that person. So it's very quality of Almighty Allah. So students, regarding this, Almighty Allah is saying about the Allahu Ghaffarun, wa inni laghaffarun liman taba wa amana wa amila salihan thumma ihtada. And I am extremely forgiving to him who repents, believes, performs good deeds, and remain steadfast in the right path. So Almighty Allah is making it clear, those have the iman. If they do any bad activities, and after that if they confess that, and if they perform his life to the right way, then inshallah Allah will forgive them. My dear students, now I will discuss about the Allahu Samadun, another attributive name. You know, Samadun means independent or depend on none. Who is not depend to anyone, he is called Samadun. So Allah's one of the name is Samadun. As you know, in Surah Ikhlas there is this word, Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu Samad. So Allah is saying in the Holy Quran, Allah is independent. He is not dependent to any of the things. Every creations, every living beings, they are dependent to the Almighty Allah. When we are facing any problems, then we are raising our hand to the Almighty Allah, Allah help me. When we are facing the exam or any of the helps when we need, then we are raising our hand. So Allah is not dependent to anyone, we are dependent to the Almighty Allah. So next attributive names is Allahu Raufun. Allahu Raufun. Raufun means very kind and affectionate. So Allahu Raufun means Allah is very kind and affectionate. How Almighty Allah is affection to the human beings? Allah is saying, Inna Allah bin nasi la raufur rahim. It means surely Allah is very affectionate and gracious to the mankind. My beloved students, Allah is showing the affectionate not to the only the Muslims. Allah is showing the affectionate to the all type of human beings. Allah is giving the foods to the non-Muslims also, same as the Muslims also. So those are the non-Muslims, if they ask help to the Almighty Allah, Allah obviously will help to them. So like that, Allah is helping to that persons, and those have the imans, mainly Allah is blessings to them more than the non-Muslims. And then next attributive names is Allahu Hasibun. Allahu Hasibun. Hasibun means refers to being the judge of all accounts. My dear students, very important attributive names of Almighty Allah, because Almighty Allah is saying regarding this, Inna Allah kana ala kulli shayin hasiba. Of course, Allah is the auditor of all accounts. Students, whatever we are doing in the worldly life, Allah will take that accountability. Allah will not give the responsibility, Allah will not give the duty to others. I have no time for accounting your activities. Your activities will count that angels or that prophets. Not like that. Allah individually, Allah will count each and every person's accountability, whatever we are doing in the worldly life. That's why Almighty Allah is saying in the Holy Quran, Maliki Yawmiddin. Allah is the judge of the day of judgment. So on the day of judgment, Allah will be just, and Allah will account our activities. And in the another Holy Quran, another ayat, Almighty Allah is saying, "Wa in tubdu ma fi anfusikum aw tukhfuhu yahasibukum bihillah." It means Allah will also assess if you express your secret language or heart of supers it. It means whatever we are saying openly and whatever we are thinking in our mind, or whatever we are saying very hidely, every words, every thinking Allah knows, and Allah will account, Allah will take the judgment of that words and works. Okay, next, last attributive names is Allahu Muhaiminun. Muhaiminun means custodian, caretaker, shelter provider. So Allah is Muhaiminun, Allah Muhaiminun is Allah is the shelter taker, Allah is the caretaker for the human beings, for the creatures. My dear students, we are facing many of the problems in the worldly life. Some peoples, they are trying to harm to the human beings. Sometimes Shaitan want to misguide to the human beings. Sometimes magicians want to harm to the others. So among all of these activities, bad activities, if you take the shelter to the Almighty Allah, then Almighty Allah will help you. That's why our Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, at the evening and at the morning, you should recite 2 surahs, that is Surah Falak and Nas, then and inshallah Allah will help you. So that's all for today, my dear students. Now keep attention to the HW, your HW number 2, that is attributive names and 2 meaning. Students, keep attention. There are 5 attributive names. These 5 attributive names you will write, and each of the attributive names in your book there is the meaning, so you will write only 2 meaning. For example, Allahu Gaffarun. So what is the meaning of Allahu Gaffarun? You will check your book and write the 2 meanings only. Like that you will do all of 5 attributive names with the meaning, at least 2 meanings. I hope, my dear student, you understood, and there is my phone number. If you don't understand, call me, and keep practicing at home. Read the books again and again by using your finger and with very silent movement. So inshallah, next time we will take the another class. See you next class inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.